boo, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. If you're interested in the wig on my head, I did do a review for it. The information will be all around. It'll pop up in the card somewhere up here. Also, if you wait until the end of the video, it'll be on the end screen and it'll also be in the description box below. Now we're going to be trying out Keisha from Mayde Beauty. This is a 5-inch lace part wig. It's not a lace front. It's not a lace frontal. We don't have to cut anything. It's supposed to be easy and ready to go. This is what she looks like straight out of the pack. The curls is popping. The color is popping. And it has layers. That's what the part looks like. And I'm loving it because it's also very wide. It does have some baby hairs. The lace up against my skin is brown, so it does look decent. If you're someone lighter than me, you may have to lighten it up. The color that I did get, I didn't mention, is FF Cream. The cap construction is basic, nothing special at all, okay? So straight up on my head, this is what she's looking like. I'm gonna say they did really good with the style because straight on the head without having to do anything really, you kind of see where you're going with this. So she is really cute. I'm gonna say off jump, it is also a beginner friendly wig. So if you're worrying about, is it gonna be easy for me? Yes, sis. All you gotta do is add powder, which you see me doing. I did add some freeze spray, which you don't have to do. I just wanted the beginning of my lace to be extra flat. And if you want to add baby hairs, you can, but you don't have to. You really don't have to. The baby hairs, I could say, is very easy to work with. It's very wispy, but I will add some edge booster later on to get it to stick in place so it won't move so much. Now, as far as the top of it, it is flat, but I'm going to flatten it a little bit more so we get that nice sleek, sleek, sleek. This is definitely a plop and go wig. If you're worrying about something easy, this is it. This is going to be something that you could throw on, take off, and put back on the next day. She is so easy, y'all. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but that's all I had to do as far as the styling went. Now, what I'm gonna say is she's not giving me any shedding. She's not giving me any tangling, so I'm happy about that. The length is decent. It's right above my booties, not too long, not too short. The density is decent too. It's more on the natural side. It may look fuller because it has curls, but it's not. So if you want something fuller, she's not that, but I'll say she's good for me because it's hot outside. The parting space looks amazing. As far as the cap size though, okay, I have a 22.5 size circumference head, so I'm in the borderline of medium and large. She ain't fitting me all the way. I'm not mad though because she's cute and she was only $20-something and some change, boo. So I'm not mad at all. Overall, I think she's a really cute unit. She's perfect for summer. She's a plop to go, easy, and she has style and all of that stuff, and she doesn't cost too much at all. And that layer, them layers right there in the front, boo, I am here for it. So it's not much I have to say about her. Let me know what you think about Keisha down below. The eyes I'm wearing is Trinity Brown, promo code CARRY from TTDI. I see you guys later. I'll holla. Bye-bye.
I wish it